music on too. Yo, what up? What up? What's good? All right, yo, so I'm going to quickly go through some things real quick. I'm going to let a few people come in real quick. But we're going to go through a few things that is going on. What I expect. We're going to be talking about, obviously, AMC, GameStop, and SPY. Hold on, I'm gonna post the links up. This new thumbnail is so much better. All right, so I'm gonna go over AMC, AMC, GME. All right, make sure you guys press that like button and let's hop right in here. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out is AMC, right? AMC, highly accurate on the predictions. Not only did we call $5 being hit on this channel, letting you guys know that $5 would happen. We did hit $5, hitting a peak of $5.15, but we also had to be the bearer of bad news because we are seeing a red week. Yes, people were confused by why I said we were going to hit $5 and see a red week. Well, this is why. Because I thought we could see a pop to the upside and a possible pull back in the long term. Again, making weekly predictions is often hard because throughout the week you see volatile shifts. Kai Supreme, welcome to level 1, brother. I thought you've been a member, brother. Thank you. You must have resubscribed. Thank you, brother. All right, we in here. Starting the day off with the membership. Okay. I fuck with it. Now, the same thing going on AMC, though, that I do see happening right now is that we are back on top of the bull flag. We're back on top of the bull flag, okay? So we had this bull flag breakout. We had earnings. We had this pullback to the downside. Massive sell wall popped up earlier today. This one right here. This is a brand new sell wall. This was not here. It popped up earlier today, and that's why I think we are seeing some of this downside. Also, I noticed they didn't use any shares. So they could be trying to put us into a bit of a downtrend. But right now we're holding support on the bull flag. This is our best bet right now. We have multiple buy signals down here as well. Not buy signals, buy walls down here as well. Buy wall starting at about $4.25, moving down to about $3.80. Multiple buy walls. So I don't see AMC falling that low. We're hitting our first set of buy walls now. What I'm expecting is to probably like trend down the bull flag a little bit and see if we can't get another pop back to the upside off of the bull flag. The fact that we're still holding the top of the bull flag is a good sign. The fact that we're not back inside of it consolidating or anything like that is cool. So we do have a chance to try to maybe reuse it and bounce off to the upside. And in fact, that would actually make us make a higher high than the previous high. Because what this in fact would be is AMC actually setting up for a bigger move. Why? And I'll explain here in a second. Because this could actually be the breakout and the retest. If this was the breakout and this is the retest, then the actual breakout is going to be much larger. So anytime you break out of a bull flag, you have to come back down for a retest. The retest rally is always smaller than the actual rally that you get from the actual technical structure breaking out. So the fact that we're holding this is good. The fact that we have buy orders down here is good. This is the day after AMC earnings. Earnings, in my personal opinion, wasn't bad. I still don't like Adam Aron. I don't know. You guys can comment how you feel about Adam Aron. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about Adam Aron. Let me know in the comments below. Why does it say message redacted? That's crazy. Also what I'm seeing is MACD is like getting to its further extensions. So we should start to see some type of bullishness if we can start to see the MACD start to curl up, which we're starting to see on the smaller time frames, but we need the 2 hour and the 4 hour to start curling up. Yeah, I still don't like them. Now, Weeble looks all messed up here on the smaller time frames. I don't want to delete the bull flag, so I can't really like, I just have to leave it how it is. These yellow lines are actually the bull flag, and it looks just stupid on the smaller time frame because how Weeble is. But it could be worse, ladies and gentlemen. It could be a lot worse. In my personal opinion, it could definitely be a lot worse. We still have a possible structure of the overall inverse head and shoulders. We still have the possible breakout of the bull flag if this is a retest. The fact that we're not back inside of the bull flag is a very good sign. We still have an overall uptrend after breaking out of this falling wedge here. We still have an overall uptrend. We did not make a lower low than this 350. Right now, AMC is currently holding $4.28. The next level that we really want to make sure that we hold, it would be $4.25. So we're right above where we need to be as far as low as we want to go. We want to try to hold $4.25. GameStop pushed to the upside, $14.65, trying to move to the upside here, and then got pushed back down. GameStop is still in its overall structure for breaking out of this falling wedge and in an overall uptrend. We need to see where the low is on this because this could be a potential double top type structure here. So we need to see where we find support on GME stock. We have a lot of support at $14.08 and $14 even. I believe that we are still going to be able to make that higher low and curl back to the upside. It's just going to be a bit of consolidation and struggle. But we are looking strong on GME's front. And then once we start moving back towards that $18 region is how we know if it's confirmed for disbelief rally or not on GME stock. So if we can move back to $18 on GME stock, that will confirm disbelief rally. 18-20 bucks is the price target we're looking for GME stock. SPY did have a massive pop to the upside here, moving all the way to that 508 price target that we talked about earlier in the week on the Discord. I told you guys that SPY was going to make a bit of a reversal, but as you guys can see, SPY is showing difficulty on moving much higher than this. It is above critical support and resistance at 506.98. We will be watching this very, very closely. If SPY breaks above that 5010.08, you're going to see a nice pop to the upside for SPY. It's probably going to be about like 510 even. That's what we're going to use, 510 even. We're going to use that 510 even because this is a big wick. We're going to use 510 even. It had this head and shoulders that played out that moved all the way down to the downside. We caught that downside move on the Discord. We played that, and I called out this reversal. It still looks like it's pretty much bullish. You still see green in the overall MACDs. 4-hour MACD starting to curl up with Bollinger Bands constricting. It looks like it's trying to consolidate to make a pop up. So I wouldn't count that out for SPY. Bitcoin absolutely just doing stupid moves, right? Because like Bitcoin, ever since it made that massive rally from $50,000 all the way up to $64,000, is now holding $61,000. And Bitcoin on a red day is sitting at $61,600 on a red day. I don't think many people thought when I started talking about Bitcoin absolutely mooning at $28,000, thought that Bitcoin would actually moon. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you that Bitcoin did indeed moon, and this is not even the peak. But RSI is extremely blown out, okay? Blown out. Okay, so we need to pull back. We need to consolidate. Bitcoin is out of control. It's experienced a massive short squeeze. And what we're going to start seeing is these short squeezes occur more often. Bitcoin experiences short squeezes because it has a lot of supply shock, because the fact that it has only 21 million coins. There's sometimes the Bitcoin supply gets so illiquid that it experiences short squeezes. All a short squeeze is a liquidity crunch. So that's why this happens on BTC sometimes. But yeah, this was a short squeeze from 50K all the way up. I think people were shorting it. I didn't check the futures or anything like that or the open interest. So I don't know 100% how the short squeeze occurred. But I bet you that it rallied up and people were probably shorting it to the downside. It started to pump up, and then that started to get people to liquidate. And then also it could be the fact that I do believe that the Bitcoin supply is actually seeing a lot of strain. I haven't seen any on-chain metrics or anything like that, so I don't want to report that is officially the case. But based off the price action here that I'm seeing, it definitely was some type of short squeeze event. I can't tell you exactly what made it happen or what the reason was for it having a short squeeze, but it definitely was some type of short squeeze event from this move from 50K about to 64K. I believe it was supply shock. Coinbase shut down. So Coinbase shut down, and it might have been some type of glitch or error, but it also could have been because a lot of people were trying to rush onto Coinbase to maybe make sales or buy Bitcoin, either FOMOing in or trying to take some profit. And since so many people were doing that and the transactions got so crazy, that's a reason why Coinbase could have shut down. That's a legitimate reason. I don't think Coinbase has issued any statements on why it has shut down. I think maybe something had to do with the Bitcoin ETFs too, because the Bitcoin ETFs have to keep buying Bitcoin to supply, and they are doing numbers. The BlackRock ETF is crushing. This one right here. So a lot's going on in the cryptocurrency world, ladies and gentlemen. Very exciting space. But this is what's going on for AMC and the memes. Right now we are in power hour, and we're starting to see AMC start to curl back to the upside. This is to be expected. Possibly bouncing off of the wedge right now, off of the bull flag. Possibly getting a bounce off of that bull flag right now. MACD starting to curl up. I also want to point out that I did make a prediction at the end of yesterday's stream. It did track out. As you guys can see, AMC did come back down, retest that low, and then pop back to the upside. This tracked earlier this morning. That prediction was from the end of yesterday's stream. All right, we got 100 people in the building already, man. Press that like button if you don't mind. Press that like button if you don't mind. So we want to see if AMC can hold $4.25, start moving back towards about $4.50 in that range. I really want to see AMC back over $4.50. That's like a main, that's why it's gold. That's a main key support and resistance that we want to reclaim. $4.50, ladies and gentlemen. That is something we want to reclaim. What up, Benjamin? I think AMC is in the bottoming process. That's what I believe. Really, the shoulder could come all the way down. If we still made an inverse head and shoulders, could come all the way down to like $4 even. And we do have a gap fill there at $4. These pops to the upside, I mean, this was a 30% run. No, that was a 40% run. And that was a 19% run. That was a 40% and a 19% run right there. And the whole thing included high to low. Was a 44% run. Volume is very low. Well, no, it's not bad. We had 28 million yesterday. Or is that? We had 28 million yesterday. We had 24 million today. That's actually pretty decent. Because look at the past couple of days. Volume's pretty high. So as soon as DataZero gets online, AMC starts pushing to the upside. As soon as DataZero starts getting online, AMC starts pushing to the upside. I already know what it is, the DataZero effect in full effect right now. I popped on the live stream just to push AMC up just a little bit for you guys. GameStop as well. Boats and hoes, what is that? We're looking like we could possibly bounce off of the bull flag. Could have been a breakout and retest, but we got to see what happens with AMC on the bull flag. It's very, very critical right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is extreme. We got to see if we get this bounce off of the bull flag. We got to see if we get this bounce off of the bull flag, because this could have been a breakout, and this could be the retest, which will lead to an overall rally to the upside on AMC stock. We need to bounce off of this bull flag and see what happens. We do have all these buy orders down here as well, so AMC stock could see a massive pop to the upside. Not a massive, but a decent pop to the upside, back to about $4.50, where we do need to try to reclaim. $4.50 is where we want to be, above $4.50. So that could see us happening very soon. And of course, DataZero effect in full effect as AMC starts moving back to the upside as soon as I get on the live stream. $4.34 just hit. Also, we got hella subscribers yesterday, bro. We got 10,272. We did over 4,000 views on yesterday's live stream. Hold on and enjoy the ride, you dig? You already know what it is. What's brunch? Brunch? Don't make me hungry. Don't make me hungry. Don't do it. Bano in the building. What up? Bano had to get her daily DataZero fix. You already know what it is. Hopefully everybody tunes in today. Tune in right now. DataZero. You already know what it is. We got 120 people off the rip. You already know how we do. Show up in force. 120 off the rip. You dig? It's late. We don't even care. Last hour of the market. We're going to stream this power hour. I was tired as hell today, folks. I ain't even going to lie to you guys. I don't know what it is about streaming, but that shit make you tired, bro. I don't know what it does to you. It does something, bro. I'm telling you. Everything, like my feet hurt and everything. Like I worked a shift. I was like, hold up now. I was just sitting in the chair, right? Didn't seem like it, man. I think it takes your energy, bro, but that's just me, bro. I need everyone to press the like button, though, if you don't mind. If you could do that. All right, we got one green candle, one green hourly candle for power hour. MACD starting to curl up. We have to go through our bear phase. Stocks move in waves. That's how they have to move. RSI got too overbought. AMC had to pull back. It has to pull back. RSI got way too overbought on these bigger time frames. You see we hit overbought here. Pulling back. Giving ourselves room to run. Giving ourselves a nice bullish base to build off of so we can make the bottom and continue to the upside. Amy doing what she needs to do. Sometimes you got to take the good with the bad, but it is what it is. GameStop trying to push up as well. GameStop trying to push up as well. GameStop trying to break above critical support and resistance. For power hour, SPY is consolidating right now. SPY is consolidating. Bitcoin on a red day, $61,900. Can you believe it? Bitcoin hitting $62,000 just now. Bitcoin hitting $62,000 just now. People, can you believe it that Bitcoin is this high? Let me know in the comments below. Do you believe that Bitcoin is this high? What about now? Do you believe that Bitcoin is going to $80,000 now? I tried to warn everybody. The vibe is fire. You already know. It's the best kind of vibe. It's kind of like a laid-back party vibe. It's my vibe. That's my energy y'all feel when you say it's the vibe. That's my swag. That's my drip, dog. Plus, we have the best community. Our community is bar none. Best community, bar none. Make sure you claim all your rewards on staking. Did I? Yes, I'm up on Bitcoin. I'm up on Bitcoin a lot. Thank goodness. Thank goodness I make one good trade, right? I'm kidding, obviously, but the pandemic, what about it? We are pre-pandemic, man. That means we should be going back to pre-pandemic numbers, bro. We should be going back. I'm telling you, bro. The bull run's coming, bro. I'm telling you guys. AMC bull run. He literally told you 2024, 2025. He literally told you. He literally told you when the bull run is coming. And if you look at the macro, that's exactly what it says. If you look at the macro, that's literally what it's telling me. That 2024 is going to be the beginning and 2025 will be the peak. Literally what this is saying. Because look at the MACD. We'll get like 2-3 more months of red, right? Maybe 4. So that takes us into about mid-2024. Then we start getting green. Start getting green MACD around summer 2024 on the monthly. We start trending up. Late 2024, early 2025, we're in a full bull run. Full euphoria stage. He literally said it. Full euphoria stage. And probably 2025 is when the stock market will actually have a bull run. Like SPY, after SPY crashes, 2025 is when SPY actually probably will have a bull run. But I'm not projecting out on SPY that far. Definitely not projecting out that far on SPY just yet. I will though. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yes, Adam Aaron will make a ton of money. Yes. The guy literally makes billions just for being alive, dude. He gets so much compensation for being CEO, bro. It's not even, bro. He should have been took pay compensation. That way they can pay more debt. Adam Aaron a sleaze. He's trying to get cool points for taking a pay cut and shit. Bro, you should have been took that pay cut. In fact, you should have took no pay until AMC was debt free, because that's what I would have said. I would have said I'm taking no compensation until AMC is debt free. That's what I would have said if I was CEO. I would have got stuff on the back end like shares and stuff like that. You better believe that. I'm not working for free. But I would have told everybody I'm getting no compensation on the books until AMC's debt free. So yeah, that's what I would have did if I was Adam Aaron, bro. Where's Tan? I do not know. What do I make of AMC? I went over this earlier in the stream. So again, I want to point out that the predictions I made were highly accurate. I went over this earlier in the stream, but I'll go over it one more time for people that are just coming in the stream. So in the weekly update and prediction, I talked about AMC hitting $5. And this is why it is very, very difficult to predict on the weekly basis what's going to happen, because you see extreme swings during the week. But I predicted AMC hitting $5, and you can see that AMC hit a peak of $5.10. So we did hit $5 exactly like I predicted, but also exactly like I predicted, AMC had a red week this week, or it's going to have a red week this week most likely. So exactly like I predicted, AMC hit $5, but not only that, it's printing out a red candle exactly as I predicted in my video in the weekly update prediction. And that's why you want to watch every single video, because they are time sensitive and highly accurate. But what we are looking at based off of that being said, I do believe that AMC has a potentiality to pop back to the upside. And why do I say this? Because we do have a bunch of buy orders right here for AMC stock. If you see these green bars, that is buy orders waiting for AMC stock. Those are buy walls. Basically, a bunch of orders waiting to be placed as soon as the price hits that. Limit orders, buy orders, whatever you want to call it. That's what that is. And we are also retesting the bull flag. As you guys can see, we're retesting the bull flag. So you guys can see that sloping resistance on your screen marked in yellow. So once you have a breakout, anytime you have a breakout of a bull flag, you must do a retest. The retest is always smaller than the actual rally that you would see. So if this is in fact the retest, that means the rally that we're actually going to see is going to be much higher, to about $5.50, maybe even $6. So that is why we are looking good for AMC stock. In fact, we are seeing downside. But the fact that we are holding this critical level and not coming back inside the bull flag to consolidate or break below it is key, because this could in fact be a breakout, a retest, which will lead to a much larger rally. So we want to keep watching AMC very, very closely and see if we can get back above $4.50. And that is what we're looking for today and the rest of the week, seeing if we can reclaim $4.50. But again, highly accurate predictions, hitting $5 exactly like I predicted, and then pulling back to produce a red week. Now, since I got online, AMC is pushing back to the upside. AMC also felt happy because we dropped a few rockets for her. So AMC started to push back to the upside, moving back towards the critical level of $4.50 that we want to see her at. I do believe it is possible for AMC to hit $4.50 again this week, based off what I'm seeing on the MACD on the hourly time frame, as it is starting to curl up and we are holding support here and getting a green candle. We want to see if we can get 2-hour MACD to curl up and 4-hour MACD to curl up. Get those back to green, and we'll be in good shape. Right now, in the smaller time frames, AMC trying to push back towards critical support and resistance at $4.37. DZ in the house, you dig. What up, Shifty? Or Shift Bite? I keep calling you Shifty. That just might have to be your nickname, bro. Shifty. Plus, you have the Senate S. Your name just might have to be Shifty, bro. And then, of course, the earnings I thought were pretty decent as well. And we also did beat. We also did beat on the earnings. I literally just went over AMC 2 times. I went over AMC in the beginning of the stream, and I just went over it again. I literally just went over it, what we're looking at for AMC and what to expect. I would go over it again, but I would definitely say you have to rewind the stream because I'm not going to do it a third time after I just did it. Sorry, bro. 4th straight positive earnings in a row. Yes, exactly. Short thesis is dead. Bull run is coming. 2024, 2025. Bull run is coming. 2024, 2025 bull run AMC stock. 2024, 2025 bull run AMC stock. 4th beat in a row. 4th positive earnings in a row, ladies and gentlemen. You dig. When do I see him getting out of debt? That's something I can't project, bro. I can't project that. Bitcoin pumping up right now. $62,200. Bitcoin might even go green on the day. Bitcoin might even go green on the day as Bitcoin has become very, very bullish, hitting $60,000 floor, bouncing up to $62,200. Bitcoin is getting absolutely insane, ladies and gentlemen. Something crazy might happen for Bitcoin. Something crazy might happen. I have an $80,000 price target, but we might hit something much higher. Let's just be rational here, though. Let's keep our heads on straight and watch price carefully and make sure we sell at the top. I'm not selling any Bitcoin yet. I'm not selling any Bitcoin yet. I will be cashing out, but only so when it goes back down, I'll buy more Bitcoin because I don't want dollars. I just want to increase my Bitcoin holdings. I do not want dollars. My savings account is crypto. It's Bitcoin. I don't want regular savings accounts. They're losing value every minute. Yes, obviously I keep cash for liquidity, but regular savings accounts lose value every minute. I want most of my wealth assets to be in Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. Okay, that's just my personal opinion. BTC, 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 BTC. SPY pushing to the upside. SPY pushing to the upside. Bitcoin GameStop as well. Trying to break support and resistance. GameStop trying to break support and resistance after making a low of 1403. AMC after hitting a low of $4.22, trying to move up as well. AMC currently at $4.32. All right, shout out to the new sub. We just got a new sub. We just hit 10,273. Shout out to the new sub. Thank you, man. Welcome to the fam. We got 137 people in the building right now. 137 people in the building right now. You already know. Somehow having a super chat and a new membership. Hell yeah. Somehow getting a super chat and a new membership. You already know what it is. Shout out Kai Supreme. How high do I think AMC will hit during the bull run? I'm not giving out projections just yet. I really want to see where AMC goes for when we fill this gap. This is the question here, because AMC had this big drop to the downside. So I want to see what happens after AMC comes back up to fill this gap, where we'll be and what we are seeing. When do you think AA will dilute shares? 2 weeks. I don't think he's going to dilute in 2 weeks, because I think he probably would have said that in the earnings call, in my personal opinion. Obviously, Adam Aaron isn't to be trusted, but I do feel like if he was going to dilute within 2 or 3 weeks, he would probably have said something. But if he is diluting in 2 to 3 weeks, he really needs to explain why he's diluting at these low prices, especially when AMC is starting to go into an uptrend. Why would you dilute into the uptrend? Why are you diluting at these low prices? So he would have to explain that. And also, I want him to explain why he did the reverse split, because the reverse split literally did nothing to help anyone. The reverse split only hurt retail investors. I want him to explain that. I'm hoping that I have 10,000 subscribers now. We're getting large enough to have a voice. Adam Aaron is going to have to explain why he did the reverse split. What was the purpose of that? Because literally all the reverse split did was hurt retail investors. I have thousands and thousands of stories of all of your stories, guys, on how the reverse split screwed up your cost average, and of course how the reverse split screwed up my own personal cost average. What was the purpose of doing the reverse split on AMC stock? He never gave us an explanation for that, and there is no reason. All he wanted to do was get dilution. Why is he causing a reverse split? It was never, ever any reason. It was a direct attack on retail, in my personal opinion, and that's why we say you work for the hedgies, Adam Aaron. That's why when he said it on the phone, he said how he addressed that. That's why, Adam Aaron, if you're listening to this, that's why we think you work for the hedgies, because you did the reverse split after going on trades and saying you would never do the reverse split. That's why we think you work for the hedgies. We think you work for the hedgies because of your actions, dude. We're not dumb. So until you can explain why you did the reverse split, if all you wanted was dilution to save the company because it was quote unquote vital for our existence, until you can explain why you had to add the reverse split on top of the dilution, which is actually a slap and then a backhand in the face, because you not only did the reverse split, but you did the dilution. That is a double hit at once. So Adam Aaron, if you're listening to this, that is why we call you a hedgie. You literally double punched us to the gut, and the second punch was completely unnecessary. Dilution's good. We need cash on hand. Thanks for the super chat. The diamond handed. I appreciate it. AMC owner, bank. AMC's owned banker is Citi. I didn't know that. Is that true? AMC banks with Citigroup? I mean, they have to work with the people, though. But, I mean, you would think that they would do some research and not So being in the finance world, you're gonna work with some of the bad actors because it's so tight knit. But you would think he would do some research and go to a different bank. So if that's actually true that AMC banks with Citigroup, that's crazy, bro. He would have had to dilute to ape under $1. Everyone should boycott AMC. Why? How does that help? G Money, why does that? How would that help? AMC pushing back to the upside? Boycotting would not help, bro. That's only gonna hurt the company. I don't understand why would you say that? What if I was CEO, I would say I'm taking no compensation until AMC is debt free. And I would make it my personal goal to have AMC debt free by 2025. Adam Aaron also called ape a dividend. That's why we call you a hedgie, Adam Aaron. Because you move like a snake, bro. And we see it. So stop trying to play us like we're stupid, bro. You're forever going to be a hedgie, bro. And the more that you talk, the more that you prove it. I love that our platform is growing. Because once I have 15, 20,000 subs, bro, he's going to have to respond. He's going to have to respond. My voice is getting big enough. I know he hears me. That's probably why he even talked. Maybe that's just arrogance talking or ego. I swear he addressed those things in that call, bro, because the community's talking about it. I don't know if it's obviously not just me saying those things, but I'm one of the people saying some of the things that he said in that phone call. That is a fact, okay? It's a fact. Some of the things he said in that phone call, I've said. Now, obviously, I'm not the only one saying it. But I'm telling you guys, he knows he's losing his support. People telling Adam Aaron to retire and all that shit. AMC pushing for $4.34. Adam Aaron is a hedgie. Yo, he said it so lame too. He was like, working with the hedgies. We got 141 people in the building. The stream is climbing. We got 58 likes. Make sure you press that like button. Make sure you press that like button. Make sure you press that like button. You already know what it is. By the end of next week, very possible. Very possible. Yeah, very possible. I want to see how we bounce off of the bull flag or not. If we bounce off of the bull flag, we're in good shape. Right now, we got 2 green candles, so it's looking actually pretty good. Yeah, if we bounce off of this bull flag, which we're starting to do, we're in good shape. And that's exactly what we're doing right here. Retesting sloping resistance. And then bouncing off of it. That's exactly what you want to see. So this looks pretty good so far. All right, let's get some coffee in our system. Make sure you guys press that like button. We got 62 likes. We got 141 people. All right, we got about 20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining. Yes, G Money, he is lying to retail. Cause he's taking all the money, bro. He's a fiend. Ain't nobody denying that Adam Aaron is lying. But boycotting AMC would just hurt our play. Adam Aaron needs a public trial, guilty or not. All right, vote right now. Is Adam Aaron guilty or not? Vote. Drop a G in the chat if Adam Aaron is guilty. AMC pushing to $4.35. AMC for pushing for $4.35. Bouncing off of the bull flag, ladies and gentlemen. Adam Aaron addressed those concerns because they're true. That's why he addressed those concerns. He wouldn't have said nothing if they weren't true. If Adam Aaron really wasn't working for the hedge funds, he would have just said nothing. The fact that he said something about it shows that he's working for the hedge funds, straight up. Bouncing off of the bull flag, AMC stock. Brrr, bouncing off of the bull flag, ladies and gentlemen. Brrr, let's go. This shit is so dumb. You guys can vote. Public trial right now. Public trial. Vote. Is Adam Aaron guilty or not guilty? Vote. Let your voices be heard. Let your voices be heard, ladies and gentlemen. GameStop pushing up as well. GameStop pushing up as well. Ladies and gentlemen, as soon as I get online, both AMC and GameStop start to move back to the upside. Let's go. We got about 15 minutes. 15 minutes remaining. Press that like button. Press that like button. Run them numbers up. Press the like button. I want 100 likes on the video. It's going to be impossible, but we're going to try anyways. We're going to go for it. 100 likes in an hour. That's more than a like a minute. Let's get it. We're getting a like a minute, baby. I totally said that wrong, but it's all good. I just thought about that after I said that. We have a chat rate of 8. We have... What else do we got? 150 people in the building right now, even though we started late. It's the Power Hour DataZero stream. It's the Power Hour DataZero stream. Ron in the building, Art of Teal in the building, Jeff in the building, Momo in the building, Kai Supreme in the building. What up? GameStop pushing to the upside towards $14.25. Current price for GameStop, $14.23. Current price for AMC, $4.33. Current price for SQQQ, $11. Current price for Bitcoin, $62,100. Let your voices be heard. Is Adam Aaron guilty or nah? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below, fam. Also, make your vote. Just make sure your voices are heard. Someone said get your rest. Oh, Momo. Oh, I'm getting on for Power Hour. I rested long enough. I'm definitely getting on. All right, I'm going to draw a support and resistance line there. No, that's not really where it's at. It's like right here. I don't know how I see support and resistance so clearly. I guess it's just experience. Probably 20% is probably Brian's accounts. Dude, it's so crazy that he does that. Every day. He's never going to stop trying, dude. That guy's never going to stop trying to be on stream. I'm not letting him on for like a whole month, too. I'm just going to keep kicking every account that he makes. As soon as he says some dumb shit, I'm going to kick him out for like 30 minutes at a time. And just keep kicking him out. And then I'll let him on in like a month or two if he can behave himself. And if not, I'm going to just keep kicking him out. I'm going to let him keep clicking the video, though. Yeah, it is an ugly candle. I won't lie. That's kind of an ugly candle. But it's an ugly candle on the 5-minute time frame. It's a small candle. It actually shouldn't have happened. They're probably using short shares right now because the MACD is completely green. MACD was completely green. So they're probably using short shares right now because that actually doesn't make no sense. They're definitely attacking her, bro. They don't want AMC up right now. She's gaining momentum, though. I don't know why the short sellers are so scared of AMC. They really probably will lose everything if this thing squeezes. Yo, GameStop's trying to go green on the day. GameStop is trying to go green on the day, ladies and gentlemen. Hitting a high of $14.26. Current price for GameStop, $14.24. GameStop trying to go green. So this is what AMC should be doing right now. It should have continued up. You see how both MACDs were very green? Look at AMC's MACD. It was bright green. And then all of a sudden, nah. It should have been continuing up towards $4.50. So we got a slight little knockdown. It should be moving like GameStop's moving right now. going green on the day. GameStop's going green on the day. AMC almost could have went green on the day. They didn't want that. AMC was trying to go green on the day, and they did not want that. But screw them. We're holding on, and we're fighting on. GameStop is green on the day. That's good. GameStop green on the day. That's good. SPY pushing up towards 509. SPY pushing up towards 509. So SPY hit that 509 price target that we were looking for. 508, 59. I still think it can hit around 510 too. I gave you price targets in the Discord, ladies and gentlemen. Price targets in the Discord. Oh, shout out to the new members of the Discord. We had like 3 or 4 new members of the Discord. Shout out to the new members of the Discord. GameStop pushing up right now. GameStop pushing up. Drop some rockets in the chat for GME. GME at 1428. GME at 1428. Drop some rockets in the chat for GME. AMC trying to hold on to $4.25. We don't want to see AMC go much lower than $4.25. GameStop just hit 1430. 1430. GameStop pushing to the upside. GameStop pushing to the upside. Rockets in the chat for GME. AMC trying to move up as well. AMC holding $4.25, pushing up. AMC's at 430. GameStop at 1429, AMC at 430. 8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes remaining. We have 8 minutes remaining, ladies and gentlemen. How you in Miami now? Weren't you just in Tampa? That's a good 4-hour drive, dude. How the hell you in Miami when you were just in Tampa? That is literally a 4-hour drive. Are you just driving around Florida? Miami sucks compared to Tampa, in my personal opinion. It's like the Hollywood of the East Coast. If there was a Hollywood on the East Coast, it would be in Miami. Like if there was a LA, a Los Angeles, it'd be Miami. AMC pushing to the upside. Drop some rockets in the chat for AMC and GameStop. Drop some rockets in the chat for AMC and GameStop. Both stocks pushing up right now. Both stocks pushing up right now. GameStop pumping. GameStop pumping after we drop the rockets. Pushing up 2 support and resistance levels. GameStop pushing up 2 support and resistance levels after we drop those rockets. GameStop's current price, $14.32. AMC's current price, $432. We have 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. I started an hour late, bro. Or I started just an hour ago. I've only been online for Power Hour, ladies and gentlemen. I did a full update for AMC, GameStop, and Bitcoin now. AMC still, or GameStop still breaking out of the falling wedge, looking good. This is looking good. GameStop is in a possible bull flag. So GameStop could definitely see a breakout to the upside. If GameStop breaks out, you know AMC is going to break out. I also talked about AMC bouncing off of the bull flag. This is what we want to see. The fact that we're getting green candles after bouncing off of the bull flag is very bullish, actually. This could actually be a retest and a breakout, and I talked about that earlier on stream. If you want to see that, you got to rewind the stream. I'm not going to do it again. I did it twice in one stream. But I talked about everything. I talked about Bitcoin RSI needing to cool down because the RSI is too blown out. So Bitcoin needs to see pullback. It was a short squeeze event. SPY's hitting price targets that we talked about after breaking out of the falling wedge. So we talked about this falling wedge on SPY. And SPY is breaking out of that falling wedge, pushing to the upside exactly like I said. I talked about that on Discord and in the videos. So pretty much everything's looking good and we're tracking. AMC did hit $5 like I said it would, and then also like I said in the weekly update and prediction that we probably have a red week. We are seeing that red week come to fruition as well, as AMC is starting to print out a red week and it is going into Thursday. We're starting to see my predictions come to fruition again, as we did hit that $5 mark and then pull back and starting to print out a red week. Highly accurate predictions, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, market is closed. 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 GameStop closing with a green day, ladies and gentlemen. GameStop closing with a green day. As you guys can see, AMC closing at $4.33. GameStop closing at $14.26. SPY closing at $507.78. Getting a pullback here in the close. Absolutely insane pullback. SPY showing a lot of crazy like volatility and weakness. Starting to look pretty toppy to me. Getting pretty volatile. Of course, we could see one more pop to the upside into an overall uptrend. But looking pretty toppy at this point, unless we see a stronger uptrend really start to build. If you guys want more updates and predictions, look for a video either later tonight around 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, 8 o'clock around that time. If not, I will be live tomorrow. 9:30, 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. You can check me out then, 9:30, 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. We are going to end the poll to see if Adam Aaron is guilty. We're going to end the poll to see if Adam Aaron is guilty. So put in your votes right now. We have 150 people in the building. Press that like button on the way out. Press that like button on the way out. Press that like button on the way out. Let's go. All right, ending poll in 3, 2, 1. And the public trial for Adam Aaron says Adam Aaron is guilty. 76% guilty. 23% not guilty. Adam Aaron, the people have spoken. You are guilty. And hereby, with the power invested in me by the courts, I sentence you to 3 consecutive life terms in a federal penitentiary. Adam Aaron, you're guilty of retail, robbery, and snakery. Court is adjourned. Court is adjourned, ladies and gentlemen. All right, and we got 10,274 subscribers. Shout out to the new members of the fam. Shout out to the new members of the fam. Thank you guys for being here, man. Thank you guys for being here. We did hit 500 views somehow that quickly. Thank you guys so much. Hitting that 500 view mark very, very quickly. I didn't think that'd be possible. Thank you so much. Also, we had a couple super chats today. Thank you for the super chats, man. I really appreciate it. Shout out to the Diamond Handed for the super chats. And Kai Supreme for becoming a member. Re-signing up again. Thank you, Kai Supreme. And the Diamond Handed. As always, guys, you know what it is. This was the DataZero live stream. Again, check me out 8:30, 8 o'clock for a video. If not a video, then I will be live 9:15, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. As always, y'all, I appreciate each and every one of you. Have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. And of course, tune in for more updates and predictions. And subscribe if you want to join the most lit, the most fun, the most poppin' community of all time. All right, y'all. See you, Bano. All right, then, Momo. Peace. See you guys. Isaac, what up? DataZero fam in the building. DZ effect. You dig? Sound like some Drake line, dude. Yo, yo, yo. Most poppin', most fun, most lit. AMC making a full recovery after that drop to the downside. What is that? Mod bots. I'm thinking AMC might have a green after hours. AMC might have green after hours. You heard it here first. I'm actually going to make a prediction here. Hopefully we do something like this. If we can pull that off, if we can close after hours above this support and resistance, that would be great. But then I feel like we're gonna come back down. Should be able to do it tomorrow. After some type of double bottom. Ooh, even better. Another retest of the bull flag. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's our prediction. Getting work done early. Let's go. All right. Let's do SPY. Ooh, gap fill. All right. GameStop's gonna fill that gap tomorrow. I already know it. Yeah, we're not out of the woods yet. Make sure you guys press that like button. We almost got 100 likes. We almost did get 100 likes. We're at 92 likes. Thank you guys. At 92 likes. Thank you guys. Just hit 92 likes. So that's what I think is going to happen. And again, guys, I'll have a video possibly tonight. And then if not, live streaming tomorrow. I am going to head out for the evening, guys. I appreciate you all for being here, man. Make sure you guys press that like button if you don't mind. And as always, y'all, I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe. Have fun. Peace out. I am leaving this time for real. I'm leaving this time for real. I'm turning the camera off. I'm going to let it stream for a couple minutes. And then I'm shutting the stream down. Possibly video tonight, 8:30, 8:15, 8:30, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And then tomorrow, live stream, 9:15, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Check me out. Be there or be square, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now I'm out this time for real. I'm really leaving this time, ladies and gentlemen. See ya, Bano. See ya, Chris. See ya, Isaac G. Get this guy's gonna get a timeout for like 30 minutes. Keep clicking the button, though. Keep clicking the video, brother. Giving me that engagement. I appreciate it. Christian in the building. Kai Supreme. South Beach. Got a room? You dig. In Miami. Thanks, Bano. I appreciate it. Much love. Much love. You already know. Yeah, just hit it. If you see anyone like that, man, just hit him with the 30 clip off rip. You already know what it is. Let's get that engagement though, man. You already know. You just hit him with the 30 clip real quick. That's, hey. Hit him with the 30 clip. Christian. All right, guys. Thank you guys for the support, man. I really appreciate it. Much love, DZ fam. This is DataZero, and I'm out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. I will be shutting down the stream. I appreciate each and every one for being here. Thank you guys. And again, tune in for more updates and predictions. And of course, DataZero fam. Thank you guys. And as always, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. Make sure you guys put that like button on the way out. Thank you guys. Stay safe. 2 more likes. 2 more likes for 100. We need 2 more likes for 100.